Hi, in this tutorial I will show you how to boot the VC8300 into recovery mode and do an update. I will cover two methods and this demo is done on a full screen 10-inch model. While turning on the Zebra VC8300, press the blue button, plus button and the power button at the same time to boot into the recovery mode. Release the buttons once the Zebra logo appears. Apply this method when the device is already powered on. Press and hold the power button until the menu appears. Now tap restart. The device will now reboot. As soon as the device begins to restart, press and hold the blue button and the plus button simultaneously. Continue holding until the Zebra logo appears on the screen. Press the plus or minus button to navigate up or down the menu respectively. To make a selection, press the power button. I have connected a flash drive to this VC8300 containing the update. I will be updating this device to Android 14. I have speeded up the video to reduce the view time. The update can take approximately between 10 to 15 minutes to complete, so please be patient. I'm gonna now power off the device so as to remove the USB drive. That device has been updated to Android 14. That's all for this tutorial and I hope this video was helpful.